Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing something different in terms of drawings, and that is we will be drawing the very famous Wendy's logo. Now, as you know, that the Wendy's logo is comprised of both letters, and there is an insignia that goes on top. So we'll put in a circle. It needs to be a rough circle, not necessarily perfect. You could use an object to make that, or you could just go around like this in a fun practice, and then you can make it solid later. And then inside the circle you're going to put in an oval right about here. I know that this looks very messy right now, but it's going to be much more fleshed out and much more easier on the eyes as you go, and we will separate that. We'll be putting eyes in here, a nose and a mouth, and so we can roll and start that. We'll start with the hair, and now here you could actually Google an image and keep this handy. It'll be much more helpful. And then the hair will come down pretty much somewhere like so. There's one hair sticking out like that, and then this goes into, and you can use that line right there to make a more or less accurate ear on both sides because it is exposed. And then here's the chin. This is a little too long, so I'm going to correct that. And we just come down. Now here's her neck, and then she has her tunic down here, and then there's these so we'll finish off this first. Eyebrow, eyes, and they're more filled out here to show those girl characteristic. And then she has a very generic nose, and then that very famous smile to greet you with all that healthy stuff that you'll find at a Wendy's. I think you and I both know what I'm trying to get at here, but these are our guilty pleasures, and we enjoy them once in a while. I think I would recommend once in a while. So this is in no way a promotion, but why this is being done is because it actually gives a perspective, an edge when you are drawing casual logos using images like these of girls doing important things and making it very sort of fun. Those are the tails, the ribbons, and I think then from there on it just ends up like that. Then there's the different tones, and I'm not doing the tones right now, so we are just finishing off that circle around her head. And please, again, this is not necessarily a perfect circle, so you could, if you want to get this very accurate, just for the fun of it, you can do that. But you can use an object or go about this very slowly. That's looking okay. That looks like a Wendy's logo, but then we have that writing that is going to go somewhere here. I do not recall if it goes from larger to smaller, but we'll first just put in lines. I think the E is joint. I should but the aspect of this in terms of having fun is that if you do this from memory, you can actually have a lot of fun and see how this comes out, right? So now over this, I'm just quickly going to make that. I know the E is joint. I haven't been to a Wendy's, but I drive by one almost every day when I'm going home, so this thing is somewhat embedded in my visual memory, and I think that is close, if not exact. You can check out your own source and see how we got this going. The red here, the Cadian flesh tone is called Cadian because it's very light, and then just these light blue things, light blue ribbons, and the red in here will finish off the logo. So that's the quick, easy way of doing this. Thank you very much for being with us. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.